Hey everybody, Geoarm Security here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a guest or babysitter code. They're both the same exact thing, and this code is perfect if you have a babysitter or a guest, a temporary guest in your home that may be coming in and out while you're not there. So essentially the guest code can only be used if the system is armed with the guest code. So in other words, if let's say you arm the code with your master code and the guest or babysitter tries to come back and disarm the system with their code, it will not work. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to create this. So what we're going to do is go into Tools. We're going to enter our master code, which by default is 1234, which will get us into this menu. Now we're going to go ahead and select Users. By default, you will see that there's master code, duress code, which we have a video on, and guest code. So go ahead and select guest code, make sure it's highlighted, then select edit. Go ahead and you're not going to be able to change the name or anything, it'll always stay as the guest code. So now we need to enter in the code of choice, so select user code. For now I'm going to go ahead and enter 2222. Select done. Make sure to save it. Now we're going to back out to the home screen. Now I'm going to demonstrate what exactly the guest code does. So we're going to go ahead and arm the system with our guest or babysitter code.
Armed stay. Exit now.
We're going to let this system arm up. Now the system is armed up, and as you can see, I have a pre-prepared contact programmed into the panel to instantly go off if it is separated. So I'm going to separate it, and then I'm going to try to enter the code that we just created for the guest or babysitter code, which should work.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Check. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
As you can see, the guest or babysitter code did work because we armed it with the babysitter or guest code. Now I'm going to show you if we arm it with an alternative code such as the master code and then try to disarm it, it will not work. So let's go ahead and arm the system up again with the master code this time.
Armed stay. Exit now. Armed stay.
Alright, and we're going to go ahead and attempt to disarm the system that was armed with the master code by using the guest or babysitter code, which should not work. So I'll go ahead and separate this contact. And you can see that this code is not working, it's not taking it.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
And as you can see, when I tried to disarm the system using the guest or babysitter code, it did not work. I had to enter the master code, which I'll enter one more time to clear the faults.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
And that's how you add a guest or babysitter code into your LYNX Touch L5210 wireless security system. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and visit our blog at DIYsecurityblog.com. If you need to contact us by phone, you can reach us at 1-877-443-6276.